Hi, folks. Here's how, as a student, you can access the geometry book online if you originally registered only with the WebAssign Access Code, or if you registered with Cengage Unlimited. If you bought your access code together with the two books all bundled together in that big loose leaf binder, if your book looked like this and you bought it at the bookstore, and the front of the book says Elementary and Intermediate Algebra, 5th edition, and the back of the book had your WebAssign Access Card, and if when you opened your shrink wrap package, most of the 3-ring binder pages are from the algebra book. And there's like 12 or 15 chapters or something in this book. And at the end of the algebra book are the pages that have the last step, the final answer for all of the odd numbered homework problems. And after that is where the geometry book starts. So if you bought the bundle at the bookstore and you bought it new, the geometry book was included with all 3 things that you purchased. You purchased the algebra book, you purchased the geometry book, and you purchased a WebAssign access code. The WebAssign access code all by itself, when you log in online, it only gives you online access to the algebra book. So if you want to be able to read your book on your machine, here's what you need to do. Go to Cengage.com in any of your browsers and sign in and use your same login that you have been using all semester. So whatever email address you've been using, click next, type your password, and click sign in. And make sure that you logged in at Cengage.com, not directly into WebAssign.net. If you need to, on the left, click on My Home, and then you will have a page that looks something like this. And you will see the algebra textbook. Maybe you probably only will see it once, but you might see it twice. And it will say that you purchased that course. But now to add the geometry textbook, go up to the right here where it says search the catalog and type in basic geometry. Then press the search button or press enter. And the very first search result, there's several books, but the very first search result should be this one, which is our book that has the orange on the front cover. And then click either select it if you've already have Cengage Unlimited and add it to your resources. Or if you only purchased WebAssign so far and you want to also be able to read the geometry book online, click upgrade. And then you want to do the Cengage Unlimited, the e-textbooks, and the online homework platform. But your price should be much cheaper than $120 because you've already purchased WebAssign. And so this is probably, it'll say like to upgrade access. I don't know what the number is because I'm not a student, so I can't access what that number is. Or if you just want to be able to view the e-textbook, you could do the one on the left, but you really want the one on the right. Because that gives you access to your homework on WebAssign and all of the other software programs that this same company uses. And then you'll be able to read the book online or even on your phone. And if you then also want a physical copy of the book and you don't have a physical copy of the book, you can rent one for just $8. And then select whichever one you choose and pay the fee, and then you will have access to your geometry textbook. If you want to, you can sign up for their customer email list. Or if you're still not sure what you want to pick up here, you can click on view options. And it takes you to this document. So hopefully that helps. So again, as a review, you sign in at Cengage.com. If your geometry book does not show here, then go to search the catalog, type in basic geometry, press enter or hit the magnifying glass. Find the one with the orange on the front, Basic Geometry by Alan Tussey, and click upgrade. And then choose whichever you prefer. Since you already purchased the WebAssign Access Code, upgrading to Unlimited should not be as expensive. So for example, if you click on your course, you can read the book down here. The algebra book. But then if you want to add the geometry book, go to My Home. And again, search the catalog for basic geometry. And then when you see this geometry textbook with the orange on the front, and it says Alan Tussey, click upgrade. I hope that helps. Good luck. And I will post this on our D2L page, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.